Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the first 50 questions from the 3-year degree law entrance test conducted on 20th July 2025 by JNVU. So if this is useful to you, please subscribe, like, share this channel. I need your support badly. So if it is useful, please support me. So you can calculate your marks of the first 50 questions. Okay, so what is the first question? Let's see. First question is, recently which state became the first Indian state to launch its own satellite? हाल ही में कौन सा राज्य अपना स्वयं का उपग्रह लॉन्च करने वाला पहला भारतीय राज्य बन गया है? The options are Kerala, Mizoram, Assam, Odisha. The answer is option C, Assam. So Assam is the first state in India with its own satellite. The name of the satellite is Assam Sat, and the uses are to enhance border security, agriculture, disaster management, etc. I'm not going into detail. Sorry for that. The first question answer is option C. Next question. The book India Wins Freedom was written by. पुस्तक इंडिया विंग्स फ्रीडम किसके द्वारा लिखी गई थी? Okay, so the options are given. You can read. The answer is option C, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Option C. So this is the autobiography of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. India Wins Freedom. Third question. On 20th May 2025, Dash was officially declared a full literate state by CM Lal Duhoma. Okay, so the answer is option D, Mizoram. Fourth question. Who has been appointed as chairperson of SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India? भारतीय प्रतिभूति एवं विनिमय बोर्ड के अध्यक्ष के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया है? So the answer is option C, तुहिन कांता पांडे. Okay, so the first four question, first one option C, second one C, third one D, and fourth one C. Now moving on to the next four questions. Who is known as the inventor of artificial intelligence? कृत्रिम बुद्धि AI के आविष्कार के रूप में किसे जाना जाता है? The option is John McCarthy. Option B. Answer is option B. Sixth question. The Rana Pratap Sagar Dam in Rajasthan is built on which river? I think this is easy for you. It is option A, Chambal. Seventh one. How many players from Rajasthan participated in Paris Paralympics? Bolo Rajasthan Vasio. The answer is option C, 9. Next one, question number 8. So Hindi people just read this. Paris Paralympics में राजस्थान से कितने खिलाड़ियों ने भाग लिया? C is the option. Next one, what is the limit of non-taxable income as per the new regime 2025? नई व्यवस्था के अनुसार गैर करयोग्य आय की सीमा क्या है? Option B, 12 lakh. Okay, that's about the first 8 next 4 questions. Now moving on to the next one. Ninth one. On which date did Russia launch a full-scale invasion on Ukraine, marking a major escalation in the conflict? रूस ने किस तारीख को यूक्रेन पर पूर्ण पैमाने पर आक्रमण शुरू किया जिससे संघर्ष में बड़ी वृद्धि हुई? विच इज़ द आंसर? ऑप्शन बी, 24 February 2022. 10th question. Which country launched Operation Iron Swords? किस देश ने ऑपरेशन आयरन स्वॉर्ड शुरू किया? द आंसर इज बी, इसराइल. 11th one. Originally, the preamble of the Constitution of India had dash words. संविधान की प्रस्तावना में कितने शब्द हैं बताओ? 85 words. So that is answer. Very important question. 12th one. The clause equal protection of the laws contained in Article 14 of the Indian Constitution was taken from the Constitution of. भारतीय संविधान के अनुच्छेद 14 में उल्लिखित विधियों का समान संरक्षण खंड कौन सा संविधान से लिया गया है? आंसर इज USA. Okay. Now let's move on to the 13th question. If any of the question is not clear to you while viewing, please let me know. I will do something for you for sure to make it clear. 13th question. तो मैंने क्या कहा कि अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं आ रहा और आंसर आपने अगर मिस किया तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में बता दीजिएगा. आई विल गिव अ रिप्लाई फॉर श्योर. 13th one. Which one of the following ground is not stated in Article 15(1) of the Indian Constitution? Option C, dissent. भारतीय संविधान के अनुच्छेद में उल्लिखित नहीं है किसमें से? उद्भव. ओके. सो ये क्या है कि प्रोहिबिट द स्टेट फ्रॉम डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अगेंस्ट सिटीजन ऑन द ग्राउंड ऑफ रिलीजन, रेस, कास्ट, सेक्स, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ. इसमें क्या नहीं है? डिसेंट नहीं है. 14th question. Abolition or creation of legislative council in states is contained in. What is the answer? B, Article 169. Okay. Now 15th question. According to Article 75(3), the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to House of the People. What is House of People? Lok Sabha. So please read Hindi people. अनुच्छेद के अनुसार मंत्री परिषद डैश के प्रति सामूहिक रूप से उत्तरदायी होगी. लोकसभा. 16th one. Freedom of conscience guaranteed by Article 25 is subject to. D, all of the above. Okay. Option D. So please read this. If you want, you can take screenshot. Next question, 17th one. In which of the following provisions it is stated that reference to Hindus shall be constrained as including reference to persons professing the Sikh, Jain और Buddhist religion? तो जो अदर रिलीजन है उन्हें भी हिंदू माना जाता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू विच आर्टिकल? 17. आंसर इज डी, आर्टिकल 25 टू एक्सप्लेनेशन 11. ओके. सो हिंदी प्लीज रीड दिस. हिंदी पीपल, I think it's clear to you, no? 18th question. Which of the following fundamental rights are available to person against another person? 18th is answer D according to me, Article 17. If there is any modifications, कुछ अगर आपको difference नज़र आ रहा है तो please let me know. 18th one. 19th question. The freedom The freedoms guaranteed by Article 19(1) are available to citizens only. Okay, 20th question. So 19th क्वेश्चन का ऑप्शन है ए. 20th question is promotion of international peace and security is contained in. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय शांति और सुरक्षा की अभिवृद्धि का उल्लेख है कौन सा अनुच्छेद में? The answer is option C, Article 51. Let's move into question number 21. So how is your marks? Hope you guys will get it, है ना? So if you selected, then comment me, okay? तब याद रहना चाहिए आपको. तो वीडियो के नीचे आके कमेंट कर देना कि I got selected happily. लाइक भी कर देना, okay? चलो 21st question. The executive power of the union is vested in the option B, president. Answer is option B. संघ की कार्यपालिका शक्ति निहित है किसमें? बी, राष्ट्रपति में. एक्चुअली हिंदी में ए बी सी डी के बदले का ख ग ख लिखना चाहिए ना, नहीं तो आ ई. क्या कहते हो? ओके, 22nd क्वेश्चन. द प्रेसिडेंट शॉल बी इलेक्टेड बाय द मेंबर्स ऑफ एन इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ. 22 answer D. Elected members of both houses of parliament and the elected members of the legislative assemblies of the states. Please read my dear Hindi guys. राष्ट्रपति का निर्वाचन ऐसे निर्वाचक. Please read. Okay. Answer is D. 23. Who can be appointed as Attorney General of India? ये तो आपको पता होगा. बी, ए पर्सन क्वालिफाइड टू बी अपॉइंटेड एज ए जज ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट. ओके, किसे भारत का महान्यायवादी नियुक्त किया जा सकेगा? तो बताओ अभी प्रेजेंट चीफ जस्टिस कौन है? बताओ. सो जस्ट नोट इट डाउन. ओके, 24th क्वेश्चन. A new duty in Article 51A was inserted by which Constitution Amendment Act? अनुच्छेद 51 का में एक नए कर्तव्य का समावेश किया गया. C is the option. 86th A. एक्चुअली जो फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ हैं उनमें ऐड किया गया था वन मोर 11th ड्यूटी, है ना, रिलेटेड टू एजुकेशन. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एवरी टाइम दिस क्वेश्चन इज कमिंग. नोट इट डाउन. नेक्स्ट इज 25. अंडर विच आर्टिकल द सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ट्रांसफर एनी केस फ्रॉम वन हाई कोर्ट टू अनदर हाई कोर्ट? आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, आर्टिकल 139A(1). Please read my dears. Answer is option B. 26th question. Who is empowered to enlarge the jurisdiction of Supreme Court? 26B, Parliament. Okay. 27. The governor shall hold office during the pleasure of. बताओ, ये तो आपको पता होना चाहिए. प्रेसिडेंट. राज्यपाल किसके प्रसाद पर्यंत पद धारण करेंगे? ऑप्शन सी, राष्ट्रपति. तो ये प्रेसिडेंट क्या भी कर सकते हैं. प्रेसिडेंट कैन रिमूव ए गवर्नर एट एनी टाइम इवन बिफोर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द 5-year tenure. आई होप यू नो इट. इट इज़ इन आर्टिकल 156 जो मैंने अभी बताया वो. नेक्स्ट वन, 28. द पावर एंड प्रिविलेज ऑफ हाउसेस ऑफ लेजिस्लेचर आर कंटेन्ड इन विच आर्टिकल? सी, आर्टिकल 194. Okay. 29th question. The provision relating to promotion of cooperative societies is contained in Article 43B. Option B is the right answer. Okay. 30th one. Article 22 contains total number of how many clauses are there? Option D, 7 clauses. 31. Indian Council Act 1909 is known as B. याद रखना आपको. So बाकी जो ऑप्शन है you refer that also. 31 option B. Sorry. 32. By the Government of India Act 1919, the number of Indians in the Executive Council was increased to how many members? It is 3. That is B is the answer for 32nd question. Okay, 3 is the answer. 32. Next question is 33. So we are going to complete. So total number of sections contained in Indian Independence Act 1947 were. So option is 20. 20. B's. 34. Which of the following sections of Indian Independence Act 1947 was related to legal proceedings by and against the Secretary of State? So, Section 9A. Section 9A is the answer option. Okay, first option. Chalo we'll next. Federal court was established by. 35 is option B. Okay. Chalo, I hope it is useful to you. Is it useful to you, my dear? Future lawyers, will you help me? In case if there is an issue, will you help me? You need to help, okay? 36. The expression Bar Council of India is defined in dash of the Advocates Act 1961. Option C, Section 2E. Read it. Okay, moving on to 37th question. The expression state role is defined in which of the following? 37. Option D. पढ़ लो बच्चों. How many members are there in disciplinary committee of Bar Council? 38. B. 3 members. Please read, my guys. 39. Which of the following are the standing committee or committees of State Bar Council? Option C. Okay, executive and enrollment committee. So I am giving time to both the medium. 40th question. Presidential assent was given to Advocates Act 1961 on A. Okay. अभी 10 question बाकी है. Okay, so when results come and it is good to you, please let me know. Comment box में डालना भूलना मत. 41. There are dash chapters in Consumer Protection Act. 41. 41A. 8 chapters. 8 chapters, okay. 42. The word complaint is defined in section dash of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. Option D. Section 26. Read करो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों जो बनना जा रहा है क्या lawyers. Which one of the following is not a consumer dispute redressal body under the Consumer Protection Act 2019? Option B. District Court. Okay, 44. Section 37 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019 relates to 44 option C, reference to mediation. So if there is any mistake, that also you need to tell me in comments. Okay. अभी जब आंसर की आएंगे ना तो if I made any mistake you please tell me. Mistake I have tried my level best but हो सकता है. This is a human being, no? Human error chances are there, so please let me know. And 45th question. Under the Consumer Protection Act 2019, National Commission consists of option D, a president and not less than 4 members. Read kar lo. 46. Is this clear to you? I hope it is clear to you. 46. Environment Protection Act defines hazardous substance in which section? A. Section 2C. Okay. Paryavaran, related to Paryavaran. 47. Who is empowered to make rules under the Environment Protection Act 1986? कौन बनाता है भाई? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कौन बनाता है? एनवायरनमेंट प्रोटेक्शन, पर्यावरण प्रोटेक्शन के लिए रूल कौन बनाता है? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट नहीं बनाता है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. बी इज द आंसर. केंद्रीय सरकार. ओके, सॉरी. लास्ट वन, not last one. 48. Environment Protection Act came into force on. This you should know. अगर आपने गलती किया तो 48C, 19th November 1986. Option C. Now only 2 questions are remaining. So after finishing this, I will put the remaining 50 questions also within few days. So wait for that. By that time, please share with your friends who are already written the exam and who are willing to write the exam. Please share it with your friends and please subscribe my channel. Please like, comment, share, support me. This is a new channel, so I need your support badly. So बच्चों, subscribe करना, ठीक है? It will be only useful to you if you subscribe. You can also comment what content you want. If it is possible, I will do it. Dash of the Environment Protection Act 1986 contain power of central government to take measures to protect and improve environment. 49 answer is D, section 3. Next question, last one for this session. Which one of the following pairs is rightly matched? There is a confusion. According to me, the answer is C option. If you think there is some another option, then you can point out it. Let's see the final key. Wait for the final key, final result. I wish you all the very best. Okay, the future lawyers, I wish you all success. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Please like the video. Please comment. Please share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.